Perfect. Anyway, cool. Welcome to Intellect. So we are a software consultancy. We are the biggest one in South Africa with 2,000 employees. About 70% of that is software engineers. We have this office in Cape Town, which houses about 400 of us. The majority of them are in our head office in Johannesburg, and another 400 or so dotted around the world at our offices in Europe, Australia. If you guys are interested in finding out more, just Google us, or you can come speak to myself when you have a gap, and I can fill you in. Good job. Other than that, I'll pass it back over to Jeff.
Introducing Google Anti-Gravity, a new way of working for this next era of agentic intelligence. It is the ideal agentic development home base. Does it have an IDE? Yes.
People. Perfect. Anyway, cool.